Start a sketch with the seating package to get an accurate proportion. Sketch freely with control to experiment with different design character lines. Make adjustments to proportion when needed. When you see something you like, develop it further. A line drawing only provides basic information on the design. It is far from adequate since the viewers have no clue what the surfaces or graphic breakup really look like. Darkening the window area highlights the graphical design of the side glass. Adding simple shading allows people to immediately see the form of your vehicle. Sketches with shading are going to stand out when comparing to line drawings. Therefore, get into a habit of always showing surfaces. Surface development is a critical part of transportation design. If every time you sketch, you also focus on the forms, over time, your surface development skills will quickly improve. If you only do line drawings, then you deny yourself an important part of learning car design. For quick ideation sketches, only basic shading is needed. Keep evaluating your major character lines to identify areas to be improved for your next sketch. Transportation design or industrial design in general requires a high degree of sophistication and refinements. The best way to learn is studying successful designs and then come up with your own breakthrough concepts. Start adding reflections only after the surfaces and character lines are finalized. Add the reflections of the horizon first based on the body sections. Then add indications of ground reflections. Reflections in the glass area are normally buildings, trees, or mountains, something higher than horizon. Reflection patterns are a critical part of transportation design. Car designers adjust the surfaces meticulously so that reflection lines flow harmoniously with the character lines. After adding dark reflections, move on to lighter ones. Keep reflection patterns simple to show surface development. A photorealistic rendering of complex reflections is not necessary or desirable for design sketches. Also, add reflections of all light sources: the sun, street lamp, headlights, and building lights. Brighten areas affected by these light sources. Next, tint the silver metallic vehicle with colors. Since upper-facing surfaces reflects the sky, tint them blue. Add warmer colors and some green to the ground reflections. For marker sketches, use colored chalk to tint surfaces. This has been a simple sketching technique for a crossover SUV.